All right, this week on BBQ Brawl, it is all about barbecue hacks. Now, one of the great hacks with cooking is no-look cooking. A lot of the fear that people have on the grill is fish. So I'm gonna show you how foil is your friend when cooking seafood, especially for large groups of people. We have a little bit of seafood here, some random vegetables. So I'm gonna take my zucchini and I'm just gonna cut it in to whatever size chunks I feel the fish is gonna cook at. You kind of want equal size with your vegetables. And we are gonna make a bundle. And the key with this bundle, it was like when I worked for, you know, old school French chefs, it was en papillot. And that was wrapped in parchment. And then they would put that in the oven and let it bake with the broth and the fumet, and it was just beautiful. Obviously, if you put parchment on a grill, you're gonna have a large fire. So what we do is I take a piece of foil. We line the foil with parchment. This does a couple things for us. If we're using things with high acidity in them, we don't have to worry about the food tasting tinny because the acidity will break down the foil. I'm gonna lay down one fillet of fish. We're gonna season that with a good amount of kosher salt, some cracked black pepper. You could use any spices that you want to in here. This would also be a beautiful time to add fresh herbs if you wanted to do that. We're gonna take some of our vegetables, kind of scatter them over the fish. We're gonna top that with a good amount of butter. If you wanted to put white wine or stock in here, that would certainly be an option also. So we get some fat, we get some acidity. Hit this all with one more sprinkle of salt, and then we just wrap this up in a bundle. You take this bundle, you put it on your grill. This is gonna cook in about 10 to 12 minutes. If you wanted a little bit of smoke, you could just poke some holes in the top part of the foil so some of that smoke gets in. It'll take a little bit longer to cook that way because some of the steam will be coming out, but it's a great little tip if you want to give it a kiss of smoke. Another great tip, if you are running out of space, you could actually pull your grate, take your bundle, stick it down right next to the coals, put your grate back on top. Now you can do all your cooking up top and the heat's gonna radiate into the foil and cook the fish. All right guys, tune in to BBQ Brawl for some tips, tricks, and of course, delicious barbecue.